In this video, you're going to learn about the union and intersection of events. So let's start with the union of two events. So the union of two events, A and B, is the set of all outcomes that are in A or in B or in both A and B. So very simple. It means we're just combining the outcomes of A and B. Now, I have here A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. For B, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 9. So to find for A, union B, take note of the symbol here. So what are you going to do is simply list all the outcomes. Arrange that. You can arrange. So 1, start with 1. And then you notice here that 2 can be found in both set here. You're going to list it once. Same with 4. So 4, then 5, 6, 8, and 9. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Now, how are you going to present using Venn diagram? So let's say this is our set A and this is B. So what are you going to do now? Start filling up this portion here or this part here. So what are those numbers that you are going to write it here? Those are the numbers that can be found in both set A and B. So that is 2 and then 4. Now, the remaining numbers or elements in A, 6 and 8, you can write it here. And then for B, we have 1, 5, and 9. So that is how you're going to present using Venn diagram. Now, for the intersection of events, the intersection of two events A and B is the set of all outcomes that are both in A and in B. So very simple, the common outcomes. So we have here A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So A intersection B, the symbol for intersection. So what are the common outcomes here? We have 2, we have 4, and we have 6. So you can write it here 2, 4, and 6. So that's it. Now in presenting using Venn diagram, so this is A, this is B. So you're going to start, of course, this is the intersection. So you can write here the numbers there, 2, 4, 6, because this is the intersection. These are the numbers that can be found both in A and in B. Now, what are the remaining numbers? Here, 8 and 10. You can write here 8 and 10. For B, we have 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, and 5. Now, this kind of Venn diagram, this is what we call joint set. Okay? Now, look at this second example here. I have D is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and E is 1, 3, 5. Now, D intersection E, is there any common outcomes here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So none. It's empty set or null set. Now, if we're going to present this using Venn diagram, so we can just simply, this is the D, set D, and this is E. So you're just going to write 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1, 3, 5. And this kind is what we call disjoint set. Okay? So here, the D intersection E is empty or null set. There is no element or outcomes that can be found in both D and E.